What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Top 5 Trey, your go-to channel for tech that actually makes your setup cooler and your workflow smoother. And today, we've got something for the keyboard lovers out there, especially if you're into custom setups, wireless freedom, and that sweet, sweet tactile feedback. So what are we diving into? This is the EPOMAKER x Aula F75 gasket mechanical keyboard. And trust me, this 75% layout beast is not just a pretty face. It's got a ton of premium features packed inside that are made for gamers, coders, content creators, or just anyone who wants to upgrade their keyboard game in a big way. Remember, the product featured in this video will be linked in the description below, so be sure to scroll down and check it out. Hit that like button if this helps you out. Subscribe for more real deal reviews, and let's break down exactly why this might be the most underrated keyboard in the game right now. Let's get into it. First up, the design. This thing is sleek. The version we're looking at today is rocking that light blue colorway, which honestly gives it a clean, almost retro aesthetic, but with modern flair. If you're someone who's picky about your desk setups vibe, this keyboard is definitely one you'll want on display. Now, it's not just about looks. Let's talk form factor. This is a 75% keyboard layout, which means you're getting all the essential keys, including the function row, arrow keys, and some navigation keys, but without the wasted space of a full-size keyboard. It's compact, efficient, and clean. Perfect for minimal setups or if you just want more mouse space without sacrificing productivity. And here's where it starts to get real. This thing is built with a gasket mount design. If you know mechanical keyboards, then you already know gasket mounting is where it's at. It gives you that soft, cushioned keystroke feel with just enough bounce. It's quiet, it's smooth, and it reduces vibration, making this keyboard feel like you're typing on a cloud. Seriously, but the comfort doesn't stop there. Inside, this thing is layered up with 5-layer padding. That includes dampening foams and acoustic materials that eliminate hollow sounds and deliver a more premium typing experience. Whether you're typing for hours or gaming deep into the night, this thing just feels good. And let's not skip over that knob. Yeah, this keyboard features a dedicated metal control knob in the top right corner. Super satisfying to use and fully programmable. Whether you want it to control volume, scroll through apps, or even handle macros, it's customizable to fit your workflow. Now, let's talk connectivity. The EPOMAKER x Aula F75 supports triple mode connection. That means you've got options: Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB-C wired. Use it on your laptop, desktop, tablet, whatever. Whether you're gaming without lag via 2.4 GHz or switching between devices with Bluetooth, this keyboard keeps up with your lifestyle. And switching modes, easy peasy. The toggle switch on the side lets you flip between wireless and wired in seconds. You're not stuck with one setup. That's flexibility done right. And let's not forget the switches. This one's using the Leobog Reaper switches, and oh man, these are smooth. Linear feel, fast response, minimal wobble. Perfect for both gaming and typing. You're getting a consistent press every time with a satisfying feel that won't wear out your fingers. Plus, the entire board is hot-swappable. That means you can easily pull out switches and swap in your favorites. No soldering, no hassle. Want to experiment with different feels? Go for it. This board is ready. We've also got customizable display keys here. Yes, that's right. You can program them to show what you need, whether it's media controls, shortcuts, or app-specific commands. Make the keyboard your own. Oh, and did I mention the RGB backlighting? Of course there's RGB, and it's not just basic lighting. You've got dynamic effects, per-key customization, and tons of preset modes. Whether you want a chill glow or a full-on rainbow rave, this board can light up your desk exactly how you want it. Now let's hit you with the core specs real quick. Brand: EPOMAKER. Keyboard description: gaming, connectivity, USB, Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz. Recommended use: business, productivity, gaming. Special features: ergonomic design, RGB backlit. 3. Connectivity modes: custom display keys, hot swappable. Number of keys: 80. Style: classic. Color: light blue. Backlighting: RGB. Compatible devices: laptop, PC. And it's not just for gamers. This board is amazing for anyone who types a lot. Writers, coders, students, streamers. The feel and responsiveness here is just next level. The ergonomics, the programmability, the custom build quality all work together to give you something that feels like a custom board, but at a way more accessible price point. So who's this keyboard really for? If you're tired of mushy laptop keyboards and want something more tactile and satisfying, this is for you. If you're deep into custom keyboard culture, but don't want to spend hours building from scratch, this is for you. If you want performance without the bulk of a full-size layout, this is for you. Whether you're working from home, grinding ranked matches, or editing your next video, the EPOMAKER x Aula F75 gives you everything you need with none of the fluff. All right, that's gonna wrap it up for today's breakdown. If you're thinking about upgrading your setup with something that's sleek, powerful, and incredibly fun to use, this keyboard should be high on your list. Let me know in the comments, are you team clicky, linear, or tactile switches? Would you use this for work or play? I wanna hear about your dream setup too. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and smash that bell so you never miss our deep dives into gear that actually makes makes a difference. Thanks for watching Top 5 Trey. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.